He's been called a genius, a madman, a savior, and a villain. But love him or hate him, you can't ignore him. This is the story of Elon Musk, the man who bets on the impossible and often wins. It's a tale of risk, failure, and a relentless drive to build the future today. So, how did one man go from a kid in South Africa to reshaping humanity's biggest industries? Let's break it down in 10 powerful points. First, from immigrant to icon, Elon Musk wasn't born into Silicon Valley royalty. He grew up in Pretoria, South Africa, a place far from the tech epicenters of the world. But he had a core belief that America was the land where you could make impossible things happen. With little more than a few dollars in his pocket and an almost terrifying level of ambition, he made his way to North America, first to Canada, then to the United States. He wasn't just chasing a dream. He was chasing the one place on Earth he believed could handle the scale of his ideas. This immigrant mindset, the hunger, the need to prove himself, became the engine for everything that followed. Second, his early genius and hustle. The signs were there from the very beginning, while other kids were playing outside. A young Elon was devouring books and teaching himself how to code on a primitive computer. By the age of 12, he had already programmed and sold his first video game, a space shooter called Blastar, for about $500. This wasn't just a childhood hobby. It was the first flicker of a lifelong obsession with technology, business, and space. He wasn't just smart. He was already thinking like an entrepreneur, seeing a path from code to cash, from idea to reality. This foundation, built in his teenage bedroom, would become the launchpad for his future empires. Point 3. His first big win, PayPal. Before the rockets and electric cars, there was digital money. In the dot-com boom of the late 90s, Musk co-founded a company called X.com, one of the world's first online banks. It was a bold idea, far ahead of its time. After a fierce battle with a rival company, they merged to become what we now know as PayPal. When eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion, Musk, as the largest shareholder, walked away with over $180 million. For most people, this would be the end of the story, a lifetime of unimaginable wealth. For Musk, it was just the beginning. It was the seed money for his real ambitions. Fourth, betting everything on SpaceX. This is where the story gets truly insane. After his PayPal fortune, Musk could have retired to a private island. Instead, he took nearly all his money and poured it into a company that everyone, and I mean everyone from NASA engineers to legendary astronauts, said was a fool's errand. Private spaceflight? Impossible? Reusable rockets? A fantasy. His first 3 rocket launches were catastrophic failures, exploding one after another. The company was on the brink of bankruptcy, and Musk was down to his last few million. He had one final shot. In 2008, the Falcon 1 finally reached orbit. That single successful launch didn't just save his company, it changed the course of human history and ushered in the era of commercial space travel. Number 5. Reinventing the car industry with Tesla. At the same time he was trying to get to space, Musk was also waging a war on the ground, invested in a tiny, struggling startup called Tesla Motors. The goal wasn't just to build an electric car. The goal was to destroy the stereotype that electric cars were slow, ugly golf carts. Musk envisioned an electric car that was faster, safer, and more desirable than any gasoline car on the road. Industry laughed. Analysts predicted bankruptcy year after year. Production was a nightmare, but Tesla survived. The Model S shattered expectations, proving that sustainability could be synonymous with high performance and luxury. Today, nearly every major car company is racing to catch up to the revolution Tesla started. Point 6. Failure, criticism, and relentless pressure. Musk's journey is littered with moments that would have broken anyone else. He's faced lawsuits that threatened to sink his company's, brutal media attacks that painted him as a fraud, and production hell so intense he was sleeping on the factory floor. He's been ridiculed for his ambitious timelines and publicly doubted at every turn. But his reaction to this immense pressure is what defines him. Instead of quitting or scaling back, he doubles down. He pushes harder. He works notorious 100-hour weeks, fueled by caffeine and an unwavering belief that failure is only an option if you give up. This resilience in the face of near-constant crisis is a key part of his legend. Seventh, the ultimate goal: Mars. It's crucial to understand that SpaceX isn't just a rocket company. Building rockets and launching satellites is just the means to an end. Musk's ultimate, almost sea-level mission is to make humanity a multiplanetary species. He genuinely believes that for our long-term survival, we need a backup plan, self-sustaining civilization on another planet. And that planet is Mars. Every Falcon 9 launch, every Starlink satellite, every Starship test is a step toward that grand vision. It sounds like something out of a movie, but to Musk, it's the most logical and important project in human history. He's not just trying to build a business. He's trying to secure the future of our species. Number 8 is his risk-taking leadership style. Working for Elon Musk is famously not for the faint of heart. His management style is intense, demanding, and often described as ruthless. He sets impossibly aggressive deadlines and has a zero-tolerance policy for excuses. This approach is highly controversial, and it has led to high turnover in public disputes. However, it's also the reason his companies move at a speed that baffles their competitors. He pushes his teams to challenge the laws of physics and the rules of business. While other companies are stuck in meetings, Musk's teams are building and breaking things. It's a high-pressure, high-reward environment that attracts a certain kind of person who wants to change the world no matter the cost. Point 9. Controlling the narrative. Unlike CEOs of the past who hid behind PR teams, Musk speaks directly to the world. He has masterfully used platforms, especially Twitter, now X, to build his brand, announce products, and even move markets with a single post. This direct line of communication is a double-edged sword. At times it's brilliant, allowing him to bypass traditional media and connect with millions of fans. Other times it's reckless, leading to legal troubles and public controversies. But one thing is certain: he is always influential. He understands that in the 21st century, the person who controls the story controls the future. And he has made sure that he is the chief narrator of his own epic. Finally, point 10. A legacy still being written. So what will history say about Elon Musk? Is he a visionary genius, on par with Thomas Edison and Henry Ford? Or is he a controversial disruptor whose ambition sometimes outpaces his control? The truth is, his story is far from over. With ventures in artificial intelligence, neural interfaces, and underground transportation, his influence continues to expand. But his impact is already undeniable. He has fundamentally changed our relationship with cars, energy, space, and even communication itself. History is still watching, still judging. In the end, Elon Musk's story is a testament to the power of a single, obsessive vision. He didn't just dream of the future, he forced it to arrive faster. He took impossible ideas, bet his entire fortune on them, and willed them into existence through sheer force of will. And that is why, no matter what you think of the man, his journey remains one of the most compelling stories of our time. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like and subscribe for more stories about the people shaping our world.